So setting up is going on. What happened? I powered on my Apple TV and then I just had to touch my um, here it is done. Okay, so control, it's saying control Apple TV with your iPhone. Okay, uh, okay, open remote. Okay, so it has a remote also. So what happened? I powered on my Apple TV and then it was asking, do you want to set up your iPhone with the Apple TV? Then I basically did it, touch it, and then the setup came up. Okay, and then now you can see uh, it has everything in here listed. So I have to set up. Continue. Uh, Press and hold on your remote to dictate text in your place. You hold, usually type it, such as search for movies. Use dictation. I don't know what is dictation anyway. Don't use dictation. Don't use dictation probably. Now it is asking to set up not a Spectrum customer. It's in my bedroom obviously. And see the world, automatically download, share app analytics obviously, share terms and condition, I agree. Now it looks gorgeous, right? You can see this is my Apple TV on Sony, and here is the App Store. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so App Store is here. Okay, now that's it guys. So just, you know, that's how you do things, how you set up your Apple TV, pair with your iPhone, and that's it. It's an Apple TV 4K latest. Bye bye, take care, and make sure to like and subscribe my channel.